to fix Twitter app this page doesn't exist. Try searching for something else problem. So in this video, if you are encountering this page doesn't exist and try researching for another or something else error on your Twitter, here are some steps you can take to fix it. First of all, launch your Twitter app here. So once you have launched your Twitter app, so on the search bar, you have to just go for the search bar and you can search anything here. So once you have searched, if this is not available, then you can go back and ensure that your internet connection is good. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Whether it's Wi-Fi or mobile data, you can try changes between your mobile data and Wi-Fi here. Also, you can close your X app completely and then you can reopen it just like this. If you have opened up your Twitter app here, so you have to just completely close your Twitter app, then reopen your Twitter app. Then you can easily solve your problem. So if this step doesn't work, you can go for another step. Just navigate to your device setting here, and once you are on your device setting, just scroll down and go for your app here. Once you are on your app, tap on the manage app and search for the Twitter here. So once you have searched for the Twitter, just navigate to the clear data or storage on your device and just clear cache of your X here. You have to clear the cache which will solve some bugs related to your Twitter. Also, you have to check the update in your Google Play Store or Apple Store and install any available updates. Just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the Twitter here. And if there is any update available, then you have to download the update to your device. Also, you can uninstall the app and then reinstall it from your Play Store or Apple Store, which can also solve the issues and corrupted files. So, sometime you can try logging out and logging back into your account. So if none of these solutions work, you have to consider reaching out to the Twitter support for further assistance. So with this step, you can easily solve your issues related to your Twitter. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.